guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you when you opening any conversation on your ChatGPT and ChatGPT app suddenly showed conversation not found and error code you can see in my screen guys. Don't worry, in this video I will explain why this happened and I will show you all the working fixes to solve this issue. Before we start, you need to know what is this error. This conversation not found error mean guys, ChatGPT is unable to load a specific chat from its server. This usually happens when the conversation is deleted, expired, or fail to sync properly with the server. So these are the main reason behind this error. First, understand one important thing guys. Once a conversation show not found, it cannot be recovered. You must try to start a new chat. You can also try to refresh your ChatGPT page 4 to 5 times. Afterwards guys, close your ChatGPT and tap and hold on your ChatGPT, open the app info and then scroll down, open the storage, clear the cache and go back, and you need to update your ChatGPT app. Open the Play Store and here you need to search ChatGPT. If the app update is available, simply go ahead update your app. After updating, open the ChatGPT and try to load your conversation. It will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same, make a new chat on the ChatGPT. Tap on new chat and start the new conversation. This is the only method to fix this. Or you can log out and log in your ChatGPT account one time. You can also try this. Important warning guys, if a conversation is already removed from ChatGPT server, there is no way to restore it. This is not a phone issue, this is the issue from your side. That's how you fix the ChatGPT conversation not found error on Android. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to Techify and comment if you want more ChatGPT or AI app fixes.